Okay, so another driving cycle here has been completed. Let's go through the log data and let's take a look at what update changes we need to make. It looked better this time. Still a couple things we need to go in and tweak and adjust, but much, much better than what it previously was showing. So let's go and take a look. So right here, we're gonna start off, and I went a little bit lower RPM on the dyno. I'm about 1700. What we're gonna find is the short-term adjustment's pretty good right here, but once we get up to right about here, it's showing about 7% adjustment. So if we go back into tuning, that's going to show our little cursor where we're at. Right here, we need to add a little bit more, and it was showing about 7%. Type in 1.07, shift asterisk, we updated that by roughly 7%. Going back in here, if we go a little bit further up, it's showing here that don't have to adjust much right there. That was up at this range right here. So we're going to vertically interpolate because this is 76, that's 76, this is 74, that's 74. Looks like the values need to be pretty similar throughout that range. So we'll do C and we'll vertically interpolate. We're also going to back interpolate across here, and we're going to do H, just filling in some of our, R, I keep saying H. That's a keystroke for another software I use quite frequently. So we're going to use the R function and back interpolate through the table right here. Okay, we're also going to go and just vertically interpolate down here, just C. We're just going to fill this in just a little bit right here as well. Okay, that looks good. Let's move into the next area. It came up in RPM. We're noticing right about in here, it's taking about a 6% difference out at 2000 RPM. Let's find that point. So right here, we need to lower it down just a little bit. So we'll type in here 0.96. We'll lower it down about 4% right here. And then we'll also carry that downwards here as well. We'll do C. So the V table here, we're seeing it's showing that it's moving a little bit more airflow between 15 and 17, and it kind of tapers down here at 2000. So we'll see that's representing the airflow a little bit better right there. Let's go up a little bit further yet, and we're seeing right here there's about a 1% difference. Again, that's right about there. We're not going to make any changes right here. That's about a 2% difference. Again, that's kind of focused in that same area. Here I gave it a little bit more throttle input, and we can see it's showing about an 8% difference. Let's find that point. That's up here. So we're going to bring this down, these values. Let's do 0.92, shift asterisk, that's taking away right in here, roughly 8%. We're going to backfill this in just a little bit here. We'll do C, because again, we want logical values in ascending. And we're going to go here and just assume that the values at something like 1000 or 15 or even 1750, they probably don't need to be this high. They're probably not going to be that high. I'm going to go in here and use R and just do a little bit of interpolation, just kind of getting ahead of the curve here. And then we'll do C. I'll interpolate that up. So we're taking a little bit kind of a best guess as to what we need here between 1000 and 17. So we're saying if we have values of 76 here, probably needing values something like 7980, and then right here something like 7880 is also going to be probably valid or logical right there. So let's keep moving on. We went up a little bit further. I went up here a little bit further in engine speed, so we're at 2500.
Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here, and you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.